Everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama. I am happy to be stepping into this home. This is a brand new floor plan in our Aspire series. It's a 16 by 76. We call this the Wadena. If you remember the funky cold Medina, it's kind of like that, but with a W. So I'm telling my age here. But anyways, you hop into the home, 16 by 76, 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Nice wide open area. And this home has a few features that are exclusive only to this floor plan. So check out this island. It is attached over to the wall here with the laminate backsplash if that's what you choose. We've got the sink in the island, and of course our champion certificate of final acceptance and quality. That means we're doing it right, guys. So you could be standing here at the kitchen doing your dishes and still see everything that's going on in the living room. I'm not sure why, but when I jumped in this home, but I see white appliances everywhere. Not sure yet if that's going to be a thing. I'm going to ask engineering when they return. Everybody's kind of ducked out for the holidays. But check this out. We did the staggered cabinets up there. What I mean by that, you can see one cabinet up, down. So that's a staggered cabinet. Microwave over the range, gas stove. Then we've got a pantry over here and another overhead cabinet there. This home does have one of our packages that we have put together for you guys, saving you lots of money. So this is a reverse aisle. We've got doors on both sides. Coming into the back door, we're gonna have the laundry area right away, straight away. And then turning to the left, we've got the master bedroom. Nice sized master bedroom. This is an 1,153 square foot home. Here's one of the things that are exclusive to this floor plan. Huge walk-in closet. And I mean, when we're talking about a single wide, this is a nice sized closet over here. But here's the kicker, guys. Not one, but two. So let's say his and hers and hers, whatever the case may be. We've got 2 walk-in closets in the master bedroom. Now, over here in the master bath, we've got drama marble on the countertop. We've had that countertop for a few years now. It's just such a nice countertop and everybody seems to enjoy it very much. We did a 3-bulb light strip over the mirror and still plenty enough room for a walk-in shower. 46 by 61 window here. We do have the electrical panel located into the master bedroom, which is not a bad thing if you have kiddos. It kind of protects everybody from getting into that panel. So as I'm walking back to the other end of the home, here's another thing that is different from what we usually see. We've got bath 2 first and the furnace tucked away back here too. Usually we're going to see bedroom, bathroom, bedroom, but in the case of the Wadena, we've got bathroom first. So I've had plenty of customers come in and say they want their kids right beside each other for safety. So this would be a good home for that. Nice size second bedroom. Let's check out the closet. And again, here we go with another walk-in closet. Ooh, I'm loving this floor plan. This is currently available. Give me a call, 260-383-1009. Is this another one? Oh my gosh, another walk-in closet. So if storage is something you're looking for, this would be the home for you. And wow, did they go white? Everything in here is white, and bright like the Christmas holiday season. So this is a great time, guys. Even if you're not ready to build till spring, give me a call. Shoot me your address and I'll get you a package of floor plans sent right to your mailbox or email, however you prefer. Now's the time to start thinking about what size of home, what kind of features you want in your home, things like that as we work through these cold months and get ready to start popping homes off in the spring. Of course, if you're in Indiana, Ohio, Illinois, and into Michigan also, up through February, I think frost laws usually go on about the 1st of March. We can still ship up there too. But anyways, no matter what stage of the process you're in, give me a call, 260-383-1009. I'm a professional housing consultant for Champion Homes, and I would love to work with you and your family to get you that new home. All of my information is in the description below. As always, thanks for watching. I'm the Mobile Home Mama.